Hi everyone, I hope you watched my previous videos on suicide causes, symptoms and the warning signals and the prevention plans. Now we still know that counseling holds a lot of taboo in India. The orthodoxy still maintains that if a person is not mentally too agile or mentally too well, or is going for counseling, that is some kind of a personal weakness, and the person himself, his self-esteem is lowered because of the thoughts that go around. Now if a person who's well known, who's a celebrity, and someone knows, okay, he has some kind of a depression, anxiety or a mental problem, or is even seeing a psychiatrist, oh my god, that means there's something wrong with him. So he falls 10 steps down. He's not a normal human being. So we feel very shameful if we are going for help or if we are going for counseling. It's a real shameful thing, isn't it? But there's no shame in calling people mad. There is no shame in saying, well, he is a psycho. That's shameful. That's shameful. All of us need to understand each one of us has to go through the grind of life, and all these challenges that we face come in everyone's life. Some are very unfortunate. There are too many deaths in the families, there are too many problems in the family. Poverty is one big thing. Now when we talk about poverty, they won't even understand what counseling means. What they understand is food and their day-to-day life. So at least people who are educated, who are living in the urban India, despite the fact that they are the ones who hold stigmatized feelings about people who are depressed or anxious, we need to understand that counseling is just like talking to a friend. If you have a good friend, then go ahead, share everything, every feeling, get light, get that out of your system. And seeing a professional counselor means much more when there's lack of clarity, when you cannot take decisions, you're fearful, you're anxious unnecessarily, and because of that you develop a lot of psychosomatic symptoms. So people, please be careful. Anyone, in fact all of us have a streak of madness within us. Anger, people who are very angry, people who are very suspicious, people who are very jealous, people who are very envious, these are all signs of mental agilities. And so we all have streak of madness. What we need to do is help each other. Let's get warm towards each other. Let's be kind. If I am at a platform where I can help someone who's on a lower platform, why not? Why don't we have that kind of feelings? Why do we feel, oh, he's the one, I made him and he's going to run faster than me? No, that's not going to happen. Now these are very, very poor kind of thoughts. So we need to improve ideation about our quality of life. We need to improve ourselves. We need to do some self-talking, and let's help each other. And people, please come for counseling. If you think you don't have friends, if you think you don't want to talk to friends or family, you want to keep things confidential, then counseling is the best way. Professional counseling is absolutely confidential, and the counselor will not let you down. The counselor will not be judgmental about you, is not going to form ideas that you know who you are, where you're from, and why you're here is a different question. Yes, but then counselor will be there to guide you. He's not going to completely resolve everything, but he's going to teach you how to pick up options, how to see the solutions. There are solutions to everything in life. Please, and I mean, why kill ourselves? Why harm ourselves? Pull yourself together, get strong, and let's fight. Let's fight this world. If people are mean, they're not understanding you, never mind. You turn your tables. You believe in yourself and take help of a friend. If there's no friend, someone who's very close to you. And if you don't want to go to anyone else, then professional counselors are available. In my last video, I did leave some numbers for you. Please friends, let's help everybody. Let's not get so selfish and greedy that we need to reach the top. The others can go to hell. That's a very, very bad attitude for all of us, whether it's a corporate world, whether it's a glamour world, or a day-to-day life, even when we have domestic help at home, I think we need to be kind, understand, and not be rude and just behave as if, okay, fine, she's one entity who needs to be treated like that, so the worker woman at home needs to be treated like in a certain manner. Why have we got these conditioned responses in us? Why do we learn all that? Teach your children how to be kind and respectful to people who are lower than you. That's the most important thing. And if you give one employment to someone, believe me, you will get it tenfolds back. So why are we getting selfish? Why are we the only ones who need to get everything, the cream, the bread, the butter, everything? Each one of us should be together. Let's unite together and help each other. And counseling, please remove that taboo. We have nothing to hide. Life is an open book. We will not hide ourselves. If we think we need help, we need help. If we think we want to talk, we'll talk. So what's the problem? It's like talking. Communication is also counseling. So please, friends, wake up, help those around you, help those who really need to be strengthened, and see how good you will feel about it. So if you like the video, please subscribe to it and come back for more. Thank you.